morning, children. Already I am explained the introduction of polynomials and factorization. The types of polynomials based on their degree, the types of polynomials based on the number of terms and the definition of the polynomial. Okay, children. So today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. See the children, exercise 2.1, the first one, page number 32. The first one, page number 32. See the children, find the degree of each of the polynomials given below. The first one, x power 4 minus, so the children, x power 5 minus x power 4 plus 3. Okay, the next one, x square plus x minus 5. The third one, 5. Okay, next one, fourth one, 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Fifth one, 4 minus y square. Sixth one, 5t minus root 3. Take your own numbers. I will say own number 2020. So now we are going to find the degree of this polynomial. I will take this is the own. Okay, you take your own numbers, no problem. First exercise I will tell. So children, degree of the polynomial means the highest power of the polynomial is called as degree of the polynomial. See the highest power. The 5, 4. So what is the highest in between 5 and 4? The degree of the given polynomial is 5. 5 is the highest number. Yes, 5. Children, this is there is no power means for a variable x. Will take 1. So what is the degree? 1 or 2? What is the highest value? 2. So degree is 2. Children, there is no variable, any variable. So what is the degree? I told already. This is a constant polynomial. Constant numbers are constant polynomial. I will write 5 into x power 0. What is the value of x power 0? 1. So 5 ones are 5. Is it right? Yes. Now what is the degree of this variable? 0. So degree of 5 is 0. As 5 is also a polynomial of degree 0. It is called as constant polynomial. All constant numbers except 0 are called as constant polynomials. 1, 2, 3, any number other than 0. So children, what is the degree of this one? Degree of this one is, children, 3x power 6 plus 6y cube minus 7. Children, what is highest power? 6 or 3? Yes, 6 is the highest here now. So degree is 6. Okay, degree is 6. The next one, fifth one, 4 minus y square. 4 minus y square. What is the degree of 4? Is it constant number? Yes. The degree of 4 is 0. The degree of 2 is, degree of y is 2. So what is the highest? 2. The degree of the total polynomial is 2. Here 5t minus root 3. So variable power c. First variable is there now. There is no power of t. I will take as 1. So what is the degree of this polynomial? 1. So like 5 is same as 2020. I will write 2020 into x power 0. X power 0 value 1, 2021 is 2020. So now what is the degree of 2020? Degree of 2020 is 0. So 2020 is the constant polynomial na. So degree of 2020 is 0. Children, this is the first one. Next, second sum, the same page 32. See the children, second question wants read in mind. Which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? Polynomials in one variable asking, and which are not give reasons for your answers. Okay, first one I am telling you. First one, 3x square minus 2x plus 5. 3x square minus 2x plus 5. Second one. First we will tell that is polynomial in one variable or not. Second one, p square minus not x square plus root 2. X square plus root 2. Third one, p square minus 3p plus q. Fourth one, y plus 2 by y. Fifth one, 5 root x plus x root 5. X root 5. Sixth one, x power 100. X power 100 plus y power 100. Children, so what is the question again? I am saying, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? Polynomials in one variable, and which are not polynomials, which are not in one variable, and give reasons for your answer. The first one. See the children, the first, is it polynomial or not? You can check. Yes, the power of variable is 2, the power of variable x is 1. So, the power is whole numbers, 2 and 1. Whole numbers, as it is a polynomial. That is the first thing. Second thing, how many variables are there? You have to check. X, only one variable, s. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial in one variable. Okay, children. So like that we have to write. If it is not, means it is not a polynomial. Okay. Next thing. Sometimes it is a polynomial but not in one variable. We will see that one also. Okay, x square plus root 2. See the children. It is polynomial or not? How can you check that? That is based on the variable. The power of the variable is whole number. See the children, x square. X is the variable. What is the power of x? 2. As 2 is the whole number, not not an integer. Okay, not a fraction. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Only one variable na, as x only is there. It is a polynomial in one variable. Like that, see the third one. Check the power. P square 2. 3p means 3 power 1. Q power 1. This is also polynomial, but not in one variable. As power is the whole number, as it is a polynomial, but not in one variable. It is a polynomial in two variables. P and Q, two variables in two variables. Next, I will write y plus what is the denominator of y? See y power 1, it is coming top means, see the children, 1 by a is equal to a power minus 1 or 1 by a power n is equal to a power minus n, exponential form like this. 1 by 2 by y is equal to 2 into y power minus 1. Children, this is the plus 1, this is the minus 1. Both should be whole numbers. Minus 1 is not a whole number, so it is not a polynomial. Negative and fraction getting means not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Next, 5 into root x plus x into root 5. Children, see again I will write this one is 5 into root x. I will write x power 1 by 2 is representing in exponential form. This is called as radical form. Okay children, plus x root 5. See, only variable decide that a given expression is polynomial or not. As children, this is the power 1 by 2, this is 1. Is it both are whole numbers? No. This is a fraction, not a whole number. So it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Okay? It is not a polynomial because the power is fraction. Children, 6 one. X power 100, the power is 100. Y power 100, the power is 100. See children, both powers are, what about both powers? Whole numbers? Yes, whole numbers. It is a polynomial. But how many variables are there? X and y, 2 variables. So it is a polynomial in 2 variables. 2 variables. Okay children, this is the second sum. Next, third one, same page. Third one, same page. Write the coefficient. Write the coefficient. What is the coefficient? Coefficient of x cube in each of the following. The first one, x square, x cube. First one, x cube plus x plus 1. Second one, 2 minus x cube, 2 minus x cube plus x square. Third one, root 2x cube plus 5. Fourth one, 2x cube plus 5. Fifth one, 5 by 2 x cube plus x. Sixth one, minus 2 by 3 x cube. Seventh one, 2x square plus 5. Eighth one, 4. Children, here we will write the coefficient of the x cube. See the children, x cube is there. What is in front of the x cube? There is no number. I will write 1. There is no number. 1 into x cube, 1 x cube na s. Coefficient of x cube is 1. Okay. Here see the children, 2 minus x cube. Here also minus is there. but in front of x cube there is no number, we will write 1. Coefficient of x cube is equal to minus is there, so minus 1. Okay na? This is plus 1, this is the minus 1. Next, here coefficient of x cube is, what is in front of x cube? Side, beside x cube, root 2. So root 2 is the coefficient of x cube. Here what is the coefficient of root 2? X cube. Like that you can say. Okay? Next, coefficient of x cube is, what is that? 2. Coefficient of x cube is pi by 2. Pi by 2. Okay. Coefficient of x cube is, with the children, minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Next. Coefficient of is, what is the x cube? There is no none. So 0. Coefficient of x cube is 0. I will write like 0 into x cube. 0 na. So in front of x cube is 0. This one 0 into x cube. 0. 4 0 sir. 4 plus 0. 4. So coefficient of x cube is 0. Children, this is the what? It's the third sum. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, page number 32. Children, classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic polynomials. First one, 5x square plus x minus 7. Second one, x cube minus x cube. Third one, x square plus x plus 4. Fourth one, x minus 1. Fifth one, 3p. Sixth one, pi r square. Seventh one, take your own number. K cube minus 3k square plus 2 plus 7. Okay, children. So what is the question you have to see? What? Write whether the following statement, classify the following are linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. Linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. You can decide, you can classify. We will divide into that. So these are the types of polynomials based on the degree. First we have to identify the degree. So degree we can identify now. Then we can say the given polynomial is, you can decide the name. So what is the highest power of the polynomial? 3. So if the degree is 3, then it is called as cubic. Cubic polynomial. It is cubic polynomial. This one, see the children, the power of x is 1 minus x cube. This is the 3. What is the highest power? 3. So the degree is 3. Degree 3. Then it is called as cubic polynomial. This is 1. This is 2. What is the highest power? Highest degree 2. So it is called as 2, the degree of the polynomial is 2, then it is called as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Next, what is the degree? This is 1, this degree is 0. What is the highest? 1 now. So the degree is 1, then it is called as linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. 3p. What is the power of p? 1. There is no number is 1. So degree is 1. It is called linear polynomial. This one, children, degree pi r square. What is the variable r? What is the power of r? 2. So degree 2, it is called as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Children, k cube 3k square plus 7. One polynomial again. What is the highest power? 3. So that is called as degree. So degree 3, that is called as cubic polynomial. Degree 3 is the polynomial degree is 3. Then it is called as cubic polynomial. See the children, next fifth one. Just I will read that. Check whether the following statements are true or false. A binomial can have at the most 2 terms. Binomial. If a polynomial having 1 term is called as monomial, so at most 2 terms is called as the binomial. S maximum binomial having S 2 terms. So 2 terms, that is true. Every polynomial is a binomial. No. Maybe multinomial, trinomial, monomial also polynomial. S. This is false. A binomial may have degree 3. Yes. Here, example here also there. This is the binomial also. Binomial. 2 terms are there now. Degree 3. Yes. Binomial may have degree 3. Degree of 0 polynomial is degree of 0 polynomial. So 0 polynomial, that is the 0. 0 is called as 0 polynomial. What is the degree of 0? Not defined. What? Not defined. Not defined. Next, the degree of x square 2xy plus y square is 2. Yes, 2 is the degree. Next, pi r square is a monomial. Yes, that is also monomial. Single term is. Okay. So this exercise is completed.